Meanwhile, on the bustling boulevards of Chicago, Illinois, Rocky and Bullwinkle were about to discover they had considerable troubles of their own.
There they are!
Hey! Look out! Push now!
Well, mercy me!
Excuse us! Bullwinkle!
Mamma mia! It's Rocky and Bullwinkle!
And you thought I couldn't drive?
Bullwinkle, look out!
Steady, Poopsie. It's time to say goodbye to Moose and Squirrel.
Oh, no!
Hasta la vista, baby. Poopsie, what's happening?
I think you degenerated wrong special effects.
And while Rocky and Bullwinkle were making their getaway, Boris and Natasha were still high above the Chicago streets. But with one small difference.
No
helicopter.
And as luck would have it, a traveling mattress salesman just happened to be passing by below.
Mattresses for sale. How do I do it? Volume! Now that's a soft mattress.
Temporary.